Hi Priyanka.
Hi Mansi.
Tell us a little bit about your offer. What do you do?
So Mansi, I'm a logo analyst wherein I analyze logos based on the energy branding, and then that's how I design the logos based on numerology and astrology, and also some parts of secret psychology and color psychology. That's what.
Very, very interesting offer.
Thank you.
So since how long have you been a part of Ubility?
It's been almost a year now. Definitely.
Okay, nice. And what were the main challenges you were facing in your business because of which you signed
So
up?
what I figured out on myself is that I'm not a great salesperson. When I say salesperson, of course I'm doing a service which needs to go out to the people and understand. And this being the digital world, you need to have those presence online, as well as you need to showcase your business online to reach the maximum people.
Absolutely.
And that's how I came across Ubility. And what I found the best over here was that when I got on a call, it was not about just कि आप you have to take this up, you are lagging this or something. It was more about showing me the right pathway and telling me, if you go along with us, this is how we can take you forward. So yeah, that's how my journey started with Ubility.
Got it. Nice. So, based on your past situation, how much have you progressed, or what all constraints have you fixed so far in your business?
So I
In
would
one
say
year.
a lot. I mean, initially I was reluctant to charge what I was charging. I was like
How much were you charging before this?
somewhere around 20K.
Okay.
And I knew that I was offering more than what I was, charging for. But then I was very hesitant कि, होता है ना कि when you start, you are like, हाँ चलो ठीक है जो भी sales हो रहा है. But when you go to Uability, you understand कि नहीं, वो जो constraint है वो आपका mental block है ना कि सामने वाले का.
Absolutely.
If they understand the value, they will pay you for that. And that's what here it made me realize that how you can showcase your value to the other person and make sure that you charge or whatever you get the right energy exchange for yourself. That's what I would say.
Nice. So from 20,000 to what is your current price now?
1.25 something.
Whoa, that's great. Amazing. Okay. So how has your experience been of this mastermind event so far?
Oh, आई थिंक वो मास्टर माइंड ब्लो है ना. मैं अभी किसी से बात करी थी ना, वाज लाइक हम लोग बकेट इतनी छोटी लेके आए थे अपने हाथ में कि ये क्वेश्चंस है, बट यू हैव सो मैनी थिंग्स टू लर्न. एंड डेफिनेटली कहीं ना कहीं हमें लगता है बहुत छोटी चीज़ है जो हम मिस का चलता है.
Right.
बट व्हेन यू अंडरस्टैंड नहीं, इस एक छोटी चीज़ से शायद आपका कन्वर्जन डिफरेंट होता था, और शायद आपकी बोलने का नॉट बोलने का तरीका, बट द वे यू वुड हैव पुट अप द थिंग्स वुड हैव मेड द सेल्स मच बेटर फॉर यू.
So out of all the things that you've learned in the session, what is your biggest takeaway?
Is nothing is small. Everything that you speak, every word that you speak, especially the tonality that you have,
Right.
makes or breaks the sales. So that's what I've learned from this.
Perfect. So one word of advice for any other coaches like you, if you had to recommend them Ubility.
So I would say if you feel you can do it, Uability will push you to do that. So it's not like, a smooth ride will be a roller coaster, but it will be worth the roller coaster.
That's very sweet of you. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you so